Welcome to the Daily Challenge. I'm your coach, Po-Shen Loh. So I hear you want to learn combinatorics. It's only about counting, but in very clever ways. When I was in school, this was the subject I found the hardest. It's hard to think of the best way to count accurately, not to overcount or undercount. And when the wording of the question changes even a little bit, the answer can change a lot. Later in life, I focused on combinatorics, and now it is my professional specialty. I came to love the creativity and the amazingly short solutions that make you say, wow, after trying for ages with brute force. When I was designing this combinatorics course, I looked at everything that you might run into in middle school math competitions, like MATHCOUNTS and the AMC 8. And I packed all of the tools into some interesting problems, which can be solved in lots of different ways. By working on these problems, we'll cover everything. As usual, I'll always let you play with each problem first, before giving the solution away. This lets you build your own mathematical creativity. If you actually manage to solve any of the problems before I explain, that's amazing. If you don't, that's normal. And when I show the solution, you'll probably find out that you were just a step away, and you'll really remember how to do it. At the end of each week, you'll get to play with a full problem set uninterrupted. We spent a long time choosing the right problems for you so that you can also learn from that part. It's not just a test. If you have any questions along the way, please use the discussion feature on each lesson page to ask and answer in our community. Are you ready to relearn how to count creatively? See you in the first challenge.